Rome was not built in a, क्या बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? In a day.
Sir,
Yes.
I had a question about our weekly classes, sir. So since our examination is approaching, sir, I was hoping that the weekly classes could be sparsed across the week.
I'm sorry, Gaurav. Could you tell me again what's your concern? The weekly classes,
So
are you telling me?
Sir, since our papers, so most of us are from college only, sir, and our papers
Yeah.
are approaching. I was hoping to relieve the burden, sir. The weekly classes would be sparsed a little bit.
Weekly classes, the periodicity of the classes should be more. Are you telling me?
No, should be less since our papers are approaching, sir.
Acha. Right now, how many days you're getting for this? How many days is it?
So we are having classes, so four times a week. So I was like during, and the timing is that, sir, 10 to 15, 10:15 to 12:15, sir.
Only
And also
one.
papers are also going to be at the same time.
The DU thing, are you talking? DU?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Final year.
Yes, sir.
Right. How many of you face the same problem, guys? So you basically wanted कि ये कम हो जाए, 4 to 5 से 2 3 हो जाए. ये कह रहे
So
हो?
probably our batch timings could be altered a little bit. That would be the most
all
logical
right.
solution, sir.
Fair enough. I'll just look into it. Okay? I'll look into it. Now that you have mentioned
Thank
it.
you, sir.
Welcome. Sure. Please solve it. Question numbers 11 to 15, you guys have to solve it. I hope you're solving them. Understand the process. All right. Look at the central idea, the tone, the purpose. Look at the clues, the mandatory pairs, the thought changers, right? The thought forwarders, the thought opposers, and then solve it. Okay. Let me know once you finish. Question numbers 11 to 15. Could you let me know how much time you would require? At what number are you so that I will get an idea? Hello? Question number 11, students. What is the answer to question number 11? Let me know. Have a look at question number 11 on your screens. This is called odd one out. All right. That is not, pick a statement that is not part of the paragraph. This is called, what kind of question is it? I had explained to you earlier. This, pick the statement that is not part of that. Now remember that this is odd one out. Right? Now in order to do this, look at the opening sentence. Go for the opening. The hurdles, for hurdles means what? What are hurdles? Is that a positive word or a negative word? Hurdles means? Tell me, what are hurdles? Is it a positive word or a negative word?
Sir, restrictions, rukawatein, sir.
They are obstacles, right? There are barriers to access banking are plenty. So there are a lot of barriers and obstacles. That is the opening. Now, what is the validation of that? That many disabled people have to still find it difficult to sign bank documents, especially in rural India. They are denied ATM cards. So 4 and 3 are mandatory pairs. 4 will give you a theory and 3 will validate that theory. All right. Now, what is happening? This is talking about banks, banking and all. And then which one continues with banking? Who will tell me? Which one continues with banking, guys? That the banks have what kind of rules? What is archaic rules? What do you mean by archaic rules? That debar people with facilities for opening independent accounts. Remember that they're talking about bank account खोलने में दिक्कत होती है क्योंकि बैंकों के archaic rules. What is archaic? Arch comes from old. So archaic means old. Obsolete. बहुत ही पुराने जमाने के rules हैं. And इसलिए what is the happening? उनको बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खोल पा रहे तो क्या हो जा रहे हैं? They are compelled मतलब forced to produce witnesses every time they visit banks to make online transactions through real time RTGS and NEFT. ये पता है आपको RTGS and NEFT? ये पता है? पता होना चाहिए. इनको पता है ये दोनों ट्रांजैक्शंस. तो ये 4351 है. ऑड वन क्या है? ऑड वन क्या है? किसके बारे में है गाइस? पेंशन की बात हो रही है. बाकी किसके बारे में बात हो रही है गाइस? बाकी किसके बारे में? ये भी डिसेबल्ड की बात हो रही है.
बैंकिंग सर्विस के बारे में.
नहीं, कॉमन क्या है पांचों सेंटेंस में? हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज कॉमन टू ऑल द सेंटेंसेस गाइस? Common to all the sentences is what? They are discussing whom? They are discussing about the problems faced by what kind of people? Disabled. But what is the problem? Disabled. What is 4, 3, 5 and 1 are talking about? The problems in which sector? Opening of their, in the banking, you know, the disabled का banking से क्या है? Banks negative है. लेकिन यहाँ पर 2 का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? उनका क्या प्रॉब्लम है? पेंशन नहीं मिल पाती ऑन टाइम. जो लोग स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड पेंशन में. Did you get it? So did you see the logic? Always remember odd one में first don't go looking for the odd. Look for what? Guys, look for those sentences that will make a sequence. एंड उसमें फिट नहीं होती है वो. ये सीक्वेंस में डिसेबल्ड की कहानी है जबकि इसमें पेंशन की कहानी है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल मेक दिस मिस्टेक. ऑड में पहले ऑड ढूंढने लगते हैं. नहीं, पहले स्टोरी समझो कि भाई 5 में 4 सीक्वेंस बनेगी. एक प्रॉपर स्टोरी है. द स्टोरी है ये बैंकिंग में इनको दिक्कत होती है. ये स्टोरी है डिसेबल्ड. और तो 2 में स्टोरी बैंकिंग की नहीं है, पेंशन की बात है. This is called a new idea. Remember this. इसीलिए this becomes the odd one. Have all of you understood? Tell me. Have all of you understood? Yes or no?
Oh, sir. Sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
So can you please, the sequence that I made was 4513, the sequence that I made. So can you please point out the mistakes? Because I thought in sentence number 4, it is talking about the hurdles faced by the disabled people and to access the banking services. So the thought that I was having in that point of time, if it is talking about the banking services, that I should move to the banking services. And in the next statement, that is the sentence number 5, it is talking about the commercial banks and the services and their archaic structure and the authorities or the regulation they are having. So then it shouldn't be like the 4513.
After 4, you are thinking about 1.
No, after 4, I'm thinking about the 5, the fifth sentence.
No. This is talking about hurdles.
Yeah.
First, you talk about hurdles, na. 5 is a hurdle or 5 is a reality. कि archaic rules के कारण इनको दिक्कत होती है. Which is a hurdle?
No, it is actually it is a reality, but I was thinking that it is talking about the banking services, so I just went to the statement number 5.
It's not about banking. It is about the hurdles for disabled people to access banking. Which one talks about accessibility? देख रहे हो? Not able to sign document. Not able to.
Sentence number 3. Okay, got it.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. What is the next question? Hello. अगला क्या बोले थे हमने? 12. ये आंसर है. ये सीक्वेंस है, ये आंसर है. Guys, अभी आपको समझ में आ गया. पहले सीक्वेंस बनाओ, फिर उसमें से हटाओ. कई लोग इसको ऑड वन को गलत तरीके से करते हैं, और ढूंढने में लगे रहते हैं. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Don't look for the odd one. Go and make a proper sequence that tells a particular story. This is the sequence. Got it? This is the sequence. 2154. And this doesn't fit with the sequence. This is the entire story. This is the sequence of the story. This one turns out to be the odd one. Got it? I hope you understood. So what is the trick? I mean, the thing is that all the 5 sentences would talk about a common topic, but one would be slightly different from all the other remaining in terms of the idea that has been explained. I hope this is clear to you. Do you have any doubts? Anyone? Please let me know. Anyone has any doubts? Please let me know. Students? Hello? Is this clear? Shall I move on? Guys? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Now I was asking for which number did I ask for? I asked for 14 and 15. Not 13th. Yeah. 13th I will give you later on. First you do 14th and 15th. Quickly. Let me know if you have any doubts in this. Question number 14. This is about helicopter parents. 3542. 3542. The odd one is 1. Have you understood the story? Students, have you understood the story? Any doubts? Please ask me. Get the story before you remove the odd one. Don't go hunting for the odd one without a
सर इसमें वन का रीजन क्या है सर, ये समझ नहीं आया सर।
वन का रीजन है, आपने 3 पढ़ो, 3 पढ़ना, read aloud 3, everybody pay attention, read aloud 3 quickly.
Helicopter parent may sound like an insult, but given the chance, most parents would probably opt for the help of chopper to zoom little ones between school football practice and piano lessons.
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हैं कि हेलीकॉप्टर पेरेंट, इट मे साउंड लाइक एन इंसल्ट, लेकिन एक्चुअली क्या है, मोस्ट पेरेंट्स वुड गो फॉर अ चॉपर टू जूम लिटिल वंस, है ना, मतलब they want to have keep a nigrani on them. Which one continues with that? Continue, read 5.
Getting children where they need to go is huge hassle and expensive, especially in homes where both parents work.
Now, did you see why helicopter parents are advisable? Because then they, since both the parents are working,
Yes,
then,
yes, I understand.
if the parents hire helicopters, then they can make sure that the children go from one place to another, so that hassle and expense can be removed. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir. So far, sir.
उसके बाद क्या होगा? Give me an example of that. Give me an example of that movement of children. Which one gives the example, guys, of the movement of the children when both the parents are working? Which one validates that movement? Is it about helicopter, or is it about making sure that they move from one place to another on their own? Which one will do that? Guys, Uber and Lyft has made life more convenient. Got it? But drivers are not supposed to pick up what kind of people? Tell me, what kind of people they are not supposed to pick up? Minors who are unaccompanied. But what is one talking about? Please read one, the odd one. Read quickly. Read
ride hailing for kids could be a market worth at least $50 billion in America, hopes the founder of Jumps of the startup pursuing the price.
ये क्या है, जल्दी बताओ, ये बाकी सब किसके बारे में था? यूजर फ्रेंडलीनेस के बारे में
टॉपिक पे बात करने लग गया था।
ये यूजर फ्रेंडलीनेस के बारे में था। और ये किसके बारे में है? ये किसके बारे में है? This is about one of the startup, hopes the founder, है ना, ride hailing, it could be a market. This is about what? The business angle, a new idea, odd one. Have you all understood, students? Tell me yes or no. Did you understand? All of you? Go for 15th one. Go for 15th. Yes, please go for 15th. Who will tell me what is 15th? How many of you got 15th correct? Please let me know. How many of you were able to get 15th option correct? And how many of you were able to get it with the sequence? The one which I told you, the sequence. Did you get the sequence correct? The sequence means you have got the story, you have understood the story, and therefore 2 is not part of that story. Is it clear, students? Yes or no? Hello? Guys? Any doubts? Please ask me. Yes, please. I'm waiting for you to ask me if you have any doubts. Hello?
Sir. Sir.
Tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in fifth point, सर उसमें 7 year war in 1763, मतलब इसमें सर हम 18th century की बात कर रहे हैं, पर सर जो 2 point को हम जो odd one out कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें ये भी ऐसी के ये भी रीजन होगा ना सर कि बैक टू द मिड 17th century की बात हो रही है उसमें सर.
नहीं, उसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात हो रही है. हाँ, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात हो रही है. 2 में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन क्राउन एंड कॉलोनी एक्सटेंडेड बैक है ना. 2 कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात हो रही है. स्टोरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात नहीं हो रही है. स्टोरी क्या है कि अमेरिका हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ कंट्री रूल्ड बाय इट्स पीपल. ये स्टोरी है. एंड दिस वाज ट्रू ऑफ द नेशन. द नेशन मतलब कौन से नेशन है? कौन सा नेशन है? इवन बिफोर इट बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट. कौन सा नेशन है गाइस? किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? द नेशन बोले तो अमेरिका के बारे में. गॉट इट? एंड अमेरिका के बारे में इवन बिफोर इट वाज हैज ऑलवेज बीन ruled by its people. Got it? And which one will continue with that? This conventional wisdom has it that after conclusion, British had to levy harsh taxes on its American to cover the cost of the conflict. To cover the cost of the conflict. The conflict, the 7 years wars. Or one is the result was no taxation without and ultimately the American Revolution. लेकिन ये क्या बोल रहा है? द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कब आया? आर यू डिस्कसिंग व्हेन द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट केम और आर यू डिस्कसिंग द अमेरिका हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ कंट्री रूल्ड बाय इट्स पीपल? व्हाट आर यू डिस्कसिंग? डिड यू गेट इट? अमेरिका हैज ऑलवेज बीन रूल्ड बाय इट्स पीपल डिस्पाइट ऑफ द करंट लीडरशिप. है ना? Current leadership क्या सोचते हैं कि America has always been ruled by others, but the reality is America has always been a country ruled by its people, and that is why the validation of that is even before the nation was independent. Yeah, even before का 1763, and this the result किसका है? To cover the cost of conflict, क्या किया इन्होंने? No taxation. Did you see? ये लड़ाई में जितने नुकसान हुए इसके पैसे हम इसको कवर करने के लिए नो टैक्सेशन. सो दिस वन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो है एक्सटेंडेड बैक टू द मिड सेंचुरी फ्रॉम शॉर्टली आफ्टर द फर्स्ट कॉलोनीज वर एस्टैब्लिश्ड. वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग कब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुई. वी आर डिस्कसिंग अल्टीमेटली द अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन. देख रहे हो? That is, America has always been independent. Got it? I hope you have understood. The odd one making it 2. Is it clear? And why 2 cannot be the opening? Because 2, अगर 2 opening होती तो पूरी कहानी होती. Conflict is not the topic. America is the topic. Got it? Understood? No. 2 cannot. अगर 2 से sentence शुरू होती तो पूरी कहानी conflict के बारे में होती. ठीक है? someone is asking me, no sir, 2 क्यों नहीं होता? 2 होता तो पूरी कहानी conflicts after the first colonies were established, वो पूरी establishment के बारे में होती. colony establishment. Is this clear to you, everyone? Right. What is it? Saqib, is it clear to you? Saqib Khan? Yes, Saqib. So, both are mentioning conflicts, guys. 5 is also talking about conflict. 2 is also talking about conflict. But 5 is talking about which conflict? Which conflict? The 7 years war, particular conflict. Whereas this is talking about other conflicts. Whereas to cover the cost of the conflict, you had to make sure that the result was no taxation. Okay. Understood, guys? Anything else you would like to ask me? I hope today you have understood how to solve parajumbles with parajumbles and also odd one out. Is it clear? Please practice all these questions. If you have any doubts, you will ask me in the next class. Complete the entire handout and do that test also. Do that test also. Okay? And if you have any doubts with that, you will ask me. Okay? Okay.
सर
Yes, please.
सर इसमें जो लास्ट 5th पॉइंट है, इसमें हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बारे में भी बात की है, कॉस्ट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, बट सर हम ओवरऑल देखिए तो सब में सर अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन, अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज के बारे में बात की गई है, बट जो सर सेकंड पॉइंट है उसमें ऐसा कुछ मेंशन नहीं है अमेरिकन के बारे में। तो सर मतलब हम वर्ड टू वर्ड भी कैरी कर सकते हैं सर, अगर हमें ऑड वन आउट निकालना हो तो सर?
नहीं, वैसे मत करो, स्टैंड अलोन नहीं देखते हमेशा। ये गलती मत करना। हमेशा पूरा पहले थीम समझेंगे, पूरी स्टोरी को समझेंगे, उसको फिर देखेंगे कि 5 में से 4 क्या है। ऐसे नहीं करना कि उधर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है इधर नहीं है, वैसे नहीं। पीस करके डिवाइड करके नहीं देखना, टोटलिटी में देखेंगे। ठीक है? कभी पैर बना के मत देखना, पहले टोटलिटी। इज दैट क्लियर?
ओके सर, ओके।
चलो, you will continue with this and you can show me if you have any doubts in the next class. All right? Is it clear to everybody, students? Any doubts you have?
Sir, VBA
Your voice is cracking. What did you tell me? Hello?
Sir, VBA 1901 handout, sir, वो हमें खुद से करना सर ना?
हाँ, वो खुद से करना है, वो प्रैक्टिस के लिए है, होम प्रैक्टिस के लिए। वो करके देख लेना, कोई डाउट्स उसमें है तो मुझे पूछ लेना। ठीक है?
ओके सर, ओके। थैंक यू सर।
All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.